Hello students, this is Rashmita Singh. In this video, we will complete all exercises of Unit 1, Chapter 2, Neha's Alarm Clock from class 4th English Marigold. So, let's start. First question is in answer the following questions is, how does Neha feel when her alarm clock rings? नेहा को कैसा महसूस होता है जब उसका अलार्म क्लॉक बजता है तो ओके सो आंसर इज नेहा फील्स इरिटेटिंग एंड स्लीपी ऑल्सो व्हेन हर अलार्म क्लॉक रिंग्स ओके नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हु वेक्स अप नेहा कॉलिंग हर स्लीपी हेड नेहा को कौन स्लीपी हेड कह के जगाता है So answer is Neha's mother wakes up Neha calling her sleepy head. Okay. Next question is question number C. Why does Neha's mother tell her to relax? नेहा की मम्मी ने नेहा को रिलैक्स करने के लिए क्यों बोला? Answer is Neha's mother tells her to relax because there was Sunday on that day. Okay. Question number D is, why do we take our lunch or dinner at a particular time? हाँ अपना लंच और डिनर एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम पर ही क्यों लेते हैं मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि सुबह के समय लंच कर लिया हो या कभी जो है दोपहर में हम डिनर करने लग जाएं कुछ ऐसा क्यों नहीं करते हैं सो वाई हम एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम पर ही लंच और डिनर क्यों करते हैं सो आंसर इज बिकॉज आवर बॉडी क्लॉक टेल्स अस व्हेन टू डू सर्टेन थिंग्स ओके सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 हु सेड टू whom किसने किससे कहा ओके फर्स्ट इज आई फील हंग्री हु सेड टू whom Answer is Neha said to her mother. Okay. B. Relax. Today is Sunday. Who said to whom? So answer is Neha's mother said to Neha. Okay. C. Who else? You, of course. Who said to whom? Neha's mother said to Neha. Okay. So next question is question number 3. Tick the correct option. Oh, so here is options given below and you have to tick one correct option. Okay. So A is who wakes up Neha the next morning after her alarm clock stops working. Option first, chirping birds. Option second, her mother. Option third, the sun. So answer is option first, chirping birds. Next is B. B is what happens to the sun after Neha's wish gets fulfilled. Option first, it is behind the clouds. Option second, it does not rise. Option third, it does not show up at her window. So answer is option first. It is behind the clouds. Okay. Next C. What tells us when to eat, when to sleep and when to wake up? Option first, mother. Option second, an alarm clock. Option third, a clock inside us. So answer is option third, a clock inside us. Okay. Next question is question number 4. Write T for true and F for false statements. So carefully you have to turn here T for true and F for false. Okay, not wrong and right. So A. The alarm clock has fallen. This is true. Okay. B. Neha wants the alarm clock to forget ringing forever. This is false. C. Neha is fond of the sun's warmth that comes to wake her up. This is false. D. Neha's all the wishes come true. This is true. E. Our body clock tells us when to do certain things. This is true. True, okay? Next question is in grammar skills. Is change the genders of the noun and pronouns in the given sentences and rewrite them. Okay, what we have to do here? Change the genders, noun and pronouns. Okay. So A is she is a tall girl. Here pronoun given below, she, and noun girl. Okay now. So answer is he is a tall boy. Okay. B. My father really loves me. Here genders, we have to change the gender of father. Okay. So what we written? My mother really loves me. Okay. C. My uncle is very good in nature. Here we have to change the gender of uncle. So what we write? My aunt. My aunt is very good in nature. Okay. D. The old man has 5 sons. Here we have to change the gender of man and sons also. Okay. So what we have to write? The old woman has 5 daughters. Okay. E. He was a very kind king. Here we have to change the gender of he, pronoun, and king, noun. So what we have to write? Answer is she was a very kind queen. Okay. So next question. Question number 2. Add ness or tyt to make a noun form of each of the following words. Okay, here what we have to form? Noun. Okay, so first is lazy. Lazy, add with ness, laziness. Okay, kind, add with ness, kindness. C. Honest, add with ty. So what we write? Honesty. Next, good, add with ness, goodness. E. Sincere, add with ty. What we have to write? Sincerity. Okay. F. Firm, we have to add ness, firmness. G. Dirt, we have to add ty, dirty. H. Faithful, we have to add ness, faithfulness. Okay. So next question is in word power. What the question is? Encircle the words which are correctly spelled. Okay, we have to circle the words with correct spelling. Okay. So what the spelling of snuggle is? Snuggle. Spelling of snuggle is SNUGGL is snuggle. Second, relax. What was the spelling of relax? RELAX, relax. C. Mutters. What was the spelling of mutters? MUTTERS. MUTTERS, mutters. Okay. Next is D. Pillow. The spelling of pillow is PILLOW. Pillow. A is morning. Spelling of morning is MORNING. Morning. F is blanket. Spelling is BLANKET, blanket. Okay, next is G, bright. Spelling of bright is BRIGST. Okay, bright. Next is alarm. Spelling of alarm is ALARM, alarm. Okay. Next question is in writing skills. Do you have alarm clock? Do you really like when it wakes you up early in the morning? Write about your clock in 4 sentences. Okay. So what the question here? क्या आपके पास अलार्म क्लॉक है? क्या आपको मॉर्निंग में जब वो उठाता है तो अच्छा लगता है? आप अपने अलार्म क्लॉक के बारे में 4 to 5 सेंटेंस लिखिए. ओके. So what the answer is? I'm here. 4 points I'm writing here. First is, I have a beautiful alarm clock. Second is, I put it on my study table. Third is, I fix my alarm clock at 5 o'clock in morning to wake up. Okay, fourth is, it helps us to maintain our routine. Okay, that is true. Next question is an activity. Okay, what the question? Question is, the pictures of some watches are given below. They show different times. Write one line below each clock on what you do at that time. One has been done for you. Okay, so first one is done. Second is what the time? Time is 8 o'clock. Okay, at that time I go to school. 3 o'clock I do my homework. 5 o'clock I go to play. 6:30 o'clock, it means it's learning time. Okay, and 9 o'clock it's dinner time for me. Okay, here all the exercises of this chapter is completed. Now if you like this video, so please subscribe it, like it, share it with your friends and family member, and also do comments. Okay, bye bye everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.